Welcome to Graham and Henry's Breakdance Fundamentals course. This course will teach you the foundations of breakdancing. We'll break it down for you in a step-by-step process to help you learn the moves you want to get. Graham and I have been breakdancing for almost a decade and have participated in many competitions such as the Silverback Open Championships. We also teach private one-on-one sessions and have helped many of our students achieve their goals. We get that this dance could be difficult to learn and sometimes even dangerous. But that's why we're here. We want to help you overcome those obstacles and avoid any risk of injuries. We also promise that once you get the fundamentals down, it gets much funner.
Who do you think you are?
So let's get a little more detailed on what you'll be learning. You'll be learning how to do Toprock, Footwork, balancing in odd positions, power moves, and ultimately combining all of that to what we call today breaking or breakdance. The ideal student for this course is someone with 0 to 1 year experience in breakdancing. So that could be someone who has just no experience at all and has been wanting to learn how to do this for the longest time. Or someone who has been trying but couldn't really get the specific moves they wanted. So if this sounds like someone you know, then this is it. This is your official breakdance course. Please feel free to take a look in the course description, and we look forward to seeing you inside. Hey guys, thanks for enrolling in our course. So before we get started in the learning material, there's a few things you need to know in our course content. This isn't the traditional Udemy course where you can just go through section by section and following it in chronological order. This is going to be a bit different. So here's what I organized for you guys. This is a calendar that we've made. It's the 30-day calendar, and you may choose to follow this, which is recommended for the best success in this course. And you'll see each day goes on. You can start whenever, and if you follow this through up to 30 days, that pretty much makes up for section 1 all the way down to section 7. And once you've completed that, you can then look at the other sections from section 8 all the way down to the last section, and you can pick and choose what you want to either go over or learn next. So think of these as like your moves library. And again, we'll be constantly updating this, and if you guys want to see a specific move for us to teach, feel free to drop it in the discussion board or message us directly. And that's it, guys. We hope that you enjoy this course, and we'll see you in the next lecture.